Oh, hey. Yeah, this is Ask Dr. Ford. I was just checking a few things out. Sister Smith gives us our question for today. Pastor Ford, can you explain courting? And there's a couple others that wanted to know what's the difference between courting and dating. Well, dating is not in the Bible. Courting, you'll find that in the Song of Solomon, chapters 1 through 3. And when there's a distinction, there are three elements to the distinction between dating and courting, at least according to Dr. Ford. It is intent, content, extent. They say, what do you mean by that? Dating may or may not have these elements, but courting always has them. Courting starts with intent. Courting means that if you're dating to mate, that you're in a committed relationship. It presupposes that you've done your homework and you know this is the person to whom you want to be married, or at least has the potential for that. That's where you start. So if you look at the book of Ruth, you ought to study that, and Song of Solomon. Here in Song of Solomon, you have a married couple looking back when they were courting and how that courting unfolded to bring about a beautiful relationship where they are sitting on the swing in the eve of their life, knowing that they had a good marriage. And there's conflict in there too, in chapters 6 and 7. So intent, that is, you're courting with the idea this should lead to marriage. Then content, so the content or the elements that govern courting is different from dating. What's the biggest thing you could tell us, Pastor Ford? Okay, I'm glad you asked intelligent questions. Commitment is different. In courtship, the content of commitment is deeper because you're intending to marry that person. Then extent, what does that mean? The degree to which you go to deal with issues. It is like premarital counseling that you're both doing for self. Now you can see that in the book of Ruth. So that's it basically. Short answer, the difference between courting and dating, and what is courting is when you intend to marry somebody. And remember, it's different how? In intent, say it back. Content and extent. All right, let me get back to what I'm doing. God bless you, Maranatha.